tired. I just ran up the stairs. 10 minutes later, I found my eyelash glue. Oh, so today I am getting ready for my friend's wedding, and I just did my hair. Not exactly curls, but I use this like 1-inch 3-barrel tool to do it. This is starting to fall a lot more than these. So I have to put in a lot of hairspray, and I live in the south, so it's super humid. I have like layers and layers of hairspray right now, but this is the hair. I think it's really cute. I didn't do my bangs yet because I'm not sure I'm gonna do it. Right now it's pretty voluminous and might fall a little bit, but I feel like with like a bump in the hair, like if I curl it too much, it's gonna look just a little funky. So I might straighten it. It just depends on how I feel after I do my makeup, but this is my hair. I just dyed my hair. My hair was like a dark blue color. I tried to get it purple, which the ends did come out purple. My roots grew out and I didn't like bleach it all the way. So I went in and I made basically the top like 2/3 of my hair I did black, and then the bottoms I left purple. I have to travel an hour and a half to the wedding, so I hope it stays pretty much the same. I think you can see my hair a little bit better in this lighting, but it's like a really dark purple at the bottom, which is gonna kind of wash out and get a little bit lighter as it washes out and fades. But that is my hair. I think it honestly looks cuter in natural lighting, but I'm gonna start my makeup now. So I currently have about an hour and 10 minutes before I have to leave, which seems like a lot of time, but I know that if I take my time to do my makeup, I'm gonna take forever. I hate touching and adjusting my hair after I do it. I can barely move my hair. There's so much hairspray. With my bangs, oh my god, high forehead. I prepped my skin earlier today because with my skin, I need a little bit more time than just 10 minutes for everything to set, and it's on the drier side. Power Grip Primer by e.l.f. My favorite is the blue one, but this one is like pretty much the same. I have these two foundations, and I think I'm just gonna mix them. Just looks like a little bit cooler than the other. That primer makes my skin a little bit tacky. I also like NYX brow glue. I think I ran out of that, so I'm gonna use whatever's left. Set my brow hairs. I'm just gonna do like a pump of this one in the shade Almond. This one is in the shade Ivory. Bit of that as well. I have been really liking brushes. I never used to like brushes. Patting it versus like dragging it has less streaks. I go over with the beauty blender anyway. This just helps me distribute the product. Before I blend in the rest, I like to spray on a setting spray. Doesn't matter what setting spray really. This MAC Prep and Prime is my favorite. Then I go to blend it. My skin is really dry, but I like to use powders. And in order for me to feel like it doesn't look too cakey, once you have it on for a couple hours and the oils start to come through, that's when it starts looking a little bit more skin-like. Having setting spray in between each step is such a game changer, and I feel like it lasts a lot longer. My favorite concealer will always be the Tarte Shape Tape. I know a lot of people have gotten over this. I just haven't. I've used other ones before. I've even used dupes, the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and it's just not the same. It's not the same. This one blends better. It doesn't get as dry. I feel like it's just more friendly when it comes to blending. I kind of put that everywhere because I'm breaking out right now. Normally I wouldn't do that. I do the surrounding areas of my face first and then under my eyes last, because the longer you leave it on, the more coverage it has. Okay, I just switched to these colored contacts. So I'm using this Wonder Stick by NYX in the color medium. And I like this a lot better for contour, more cool toned. I don't like the formula as much as the Fit Me foundation sticks. This one's a little bit more dry. I like to blend up because it's so easy to drag it farther down, because I already placed it where I kind of want it, and the more you blend it, the more it's gonna spread. Keep it in the area and then go up. That blended out pretty nice. I have to hurry. I think I'm running out of time. Okay, so this is how my contour and foundation looks so far. Contour is a tiny bit orange, but that's okay. I'm gonna use this Hourglass Veil translucent powder. It looks like this. It's really pretty. I only really use this for special occasions. I use the Fit Me powder. Honestly, the whole Maybelline Fit Me collection is really good. I'm gonna set my eyes first because that's where I crease. I really love this face combo. If you really prep your skin well, I feel like your face can look airbrushed, and I feel like that's how my face looks right now. I don't have the best skin. I have skin that's drier and I have eczema. I actually had a flare-up the other day. Recently, I've just been trying to avoid any products that will irritate my eyes because they get so red and no product will stick to my eczema. It's doing pretty good today. I'm proud of it. I do like these powders, but I really want to try the Kimchi Chic one. That one looks so bomb. Oh my gosh. I don't really buy makeup anymore. I was really into the 2016 like baddie makeup era, so I had a ton of makeup, experimented with a lot of products. I kind of stick to what I know, and I don't really like to over consume these makeup products because I really don't use them that much. I have this mini Rare Beauty little blush. This is in the shade Happy. This one is my favorite, so I might go back to get this. I only put the powders and set my concealer and the base makeup, just not contour, because I have a separate powder that I like to put to set my contour. I don't know why I used this blender because I don't like using blenders for blush. Put a little bit here, and I like to blend it towards my eye because I feel like it looks a little bit more youthful. Whenever I do it like this, it looks very 2016 makeup. I'm going to use this Juvia's Place palette. I got this as a birthday present. I have never heard of it, but I'm so happy that I got it. It's so pretty. It's literally the perfect shade of pink for me. It's this one. This one, it's a little bit warmer. It makes it a little bit more cool toned, and I feel like it brightens up the face. I also take this one sometimes, just a little bit, and I put it on the outsides just to give it a little bit dimension. This one looks so pretty. I don't know what happened to this side. It's not looking cute. Now, to set my contour, which is a little bit warm, I'm going to use the Shade and Light palette. This is a really old palette that I have, and I'm going to use these two shades, which are pretty cool tone. Go upwards, not down. We want it to look snatched. Put some product here and then blend it up. Whatever's left, I kind of just put right here. So excited to go to this wedding. It's one of my close friends. I grew up with her since elementary school. I love her and I wish the best for her. I always knew she was gonna get married first. I'm gonna take my powder brush and I'm going to kind of soften the lines right here. It does look a little bit darker right here because I have some acne scars. I don't really clean up my contour, so I try to be more precise with it. I feel like if I clean up my contour, it just looks a little bit too cakey with a skinny brush. I feel like that gives me a nose because my nose is very like straight on like this. I think giving it a little bump right here just gives it a little bit more dimension. I'm going to use the Milani Make It Last Original. It says 16-hour wear, and I need this makeup to last all night. Okay, I drenched my face, and I think that is key to making it not look cakey. I think I'm doing pretty good. I mean, 30 minutes for my bases, it's kind of a long time. When you have a good base, you feel so much more confident. Honestly, for my brows, I don't do much. I'm gonna brush it up. Elf eyebrow pencil. Okay, I really like the shape of this eyebrow for some reason. I do like them straighter on a normal basis. For this look, I think this is perfect. And then I just blend it because I don't like seeing lines. My skin looks pretty good. It doesn't look too cakey and it looks glowy. 10 minutes later, I found my eyelash glue. On an everyday basis, I don't really do much with my eyes. I just do eyeliner. Well, it's a brown with like purple undertones. And this is the Morphe Dare to Create palette. I wear that much makeup anymore, so I still have all my palettes, even if they are expired. Wow, that is pigmented. don't know if I want to go this dark anymore. I'm using a clean brush and I'm just going to blend the top. My eyes are hooded. I like to start the wing a little bit further back. Whenever I look straight, I can see the wing better, which it's a little bit hard right now because I have a dark eyeshadow. It was a little bit higher than this angle, so I'm gonna try to angle it down a bit. I did accidentally do this wing a little bit too big. I'm gonna stop the wings for now in case they get a little bit too big with my fingernail just to make it a little bit sharper. If your felt tip is dry, just put it upside down so that the felt tip can like rehydrate. Today I'm going to go in with a sparkle on top of that. Also run it along my lower lash line. I don't love how shiny my eyelids are, and I know it's not the shadow because it looked pretty matte. So next time I'm just gonna cover my eyes while I spray my setting sprays. It's the Wispy Natural Light by Ioni. I put some glue on the lashes, line my eyeliner with some glue, it sticks better, and pretty much stay all night. And as this one is drying clear, I'll just stick it on. I kind of like my hair like this. It's giving like Catherine Pierce when she has her hair in like that half up. So cute. Pinch my real lashes with the fake lashes because it'll close that gap. If your lashes aren't as high as you want, you can curl them with an eyelash curler. I don't think I love this inner corner thing. I said I wasn't gonna do it today. I'm going to use my face highlighter as my inner corner highlighter. Highlighter in Enlighten. Looks like. Bring it right here. Inner corner. A little bit there. Now I feel a lot prettier. The makeup looks better. Literally look like a freaking glazed donut. That's not the look I'm going for, but I also don't really mind it. Like, this highlighter does not emphasize any type of texture. I think the only texture I have is like natural skin texture, but I'm gonna draw in the inner corners. I like to point it down a bit. I messed up my eyeliner. Oh my god. That is how I like my inner corner. Like a triangle. Like, this one looks a little bit too much like a line, whereas this one looks more of a intentional like cat eye. I was gonna do eyeliner on the lower lash line, but I think that's gonna be too much for me since I just did like my inner corners. So I'm just gonna do simple mascara. Just got this at an Asian boutique, but it's the Kill Bill mascara and it's supposed to be lengthening. It's very small. That's the one thing I don't like about Asian mascaras, is that they're kind of dry. It's supposed to keep the curl and it keeps our lashes up and stuff, but it's just like hard to put on. Like, there's like barely anything going on my lashes right now. Oh my gosh, I don't have time for this right now. Am I using it wrong? I just got mascara all over my bottom lash. I don't like how it transferred. I need to wipe my lips. I've been really liking this NYX Smooth Whip lip cream. It's in the shade Laundry Day. It's the perfect nude for me. I like to make the sides a bit bigger because my lips are really like heart shaped, so I like to even them out with the sides. And then I like to round out the top because it's like really pointy, like a heart shape. I like to bring the sides up a bit because my lips do go down. Be careful with that because I don't want to look like a clown. Just gonna spray it one more time. Just a little bit. Is that a look? It looks very dramatic actually. Now for my bangs, so if I pin it like this, do I want this or do I want, I think both are cute. I really have to go, but I'm gonna start putting on my accessories. So I have this necklace. So cute. It's going to look like, I'll do a full outfit review later. Oh my gosh. This was by I don't have enough time, so I'm just gonna do these nails in the car on my way there. This one is a bit more secure. This is the final outfit. I cannot tell if that's even. So you guys let me know. If anything, I'll get my boyfriend to fix it. Able to do the 2 bows in the back, so I just did one big one in the back, but this is how the hair and makeup is right now. I'm gonna show you the outfit real quick without minus the shoes. I got this pack of nails from TJ Maxx. My mom normally does my nails for me, but I just haven't had time because she lives like an hour away. This looks so messy. I put too much glue and now it's like getting everywhere. Hopefully I don't get too big of a headache from it. I do get motion sickness, so this is gonna be fun. I just finished putting on my press-ons. I have a little bit of a headache, but it's okay because now I have nails, so I think they're like pretty simple. When I get press-ons, I try to get like simpler ones just because I feel like it looks better. Does it really match? Not really, but it's like a plum color. But yeah, I think we're like what, 30 minutes away now, 40 minutes away. We might be a little bit late, just a tad bit though, like 5 minutes.
Eyes closed, I need a breather. Got lost in the B-roll.
I completely forgot to do an outro, and there was so much going on that night that I didn't film like my entire outfit or much of the event because I was just really enjoying the moment. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you stuck around, thank you, and subscribe for more. Bye.